What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Guys, the Rich merch, sheesh, it is now available. You guys can go ahead and place your orders. Go and cop the merch. Go support your boy. It'll be in the comment section down below. I'm super happy with the way these hoodies turned out. And like I said, the quality of these hoodies, the material, the design, everything is absolutely fire. I wanted it to be different. And like I said, this is also a limited drop as well. So I will not be releasing a second drop of these hoodies. So it's like whoever cops it, and that's it. Boom, on to the next design. But guys, this is just, guys, the quality is just insane. Like, I love it. I love the color. I love the material. I love the design. It is just so freaking fire. And like I said, you guys got to go and cop the merch, support your boy. And I can't wait to see you guys rocking the merch too. When you guys cop the merch, tag me in your Instagram stories. I'll repost you guys. Thank you guys so much for the support on this. This is crazy. The hoodies are now live, so you guys got to go and cop the Rich hoodies. And I want to see you guys rocking the Rich hoodies. Now we just made it to 412. I got to do a little photo shoot real quick of this STO that's here for the homie Joseph. Damn, look at that, guys. They literally converted the whole car. And they're all original parts into a F81 wagon. Damn. This is what we're shooting today, guys. The Huracan STO. Damn, look at the interior, guys. Dry carbon doors. Alcantara on the dash. Insane. Full Alcantara headliner. Naturally aspirated V10. Insane, dude. What's up, G? Wake up. Bro, those downshifts are ridiculous, dude. Wow. It's hard. Bro, look at this. Oh my gosh. It's got the bucket seat too. It says STO on it. And it's actually frozen blue paint. It's actual paint. It's not a wrap. Dude, look how this thing freaking looks, guys. Like a freaking rocket, bro. Damn. How do we get one of these, guys? And the crazier part too, look how the freaking hood opens. Isn't that crazy? There's literally no trunk space. That's literally your trunk right there. That little square. It's crazy how they designed this car. It's very, very special. Look at that, all the carbon in there. That shit's ridiculous. Bro, V10 is no freaking joke, guys. That just sounds ridiculous. Sheesh. Look who we have. The big homie, Nick. He recently lowered the car. He did the spacers. Sheesh, my boy moving too fast out here. Dude, the fitment looks crazy. Oh yeah, he got the window tint too and the windshield tint. So they can't see the haters. I feel like I can still see you kind of a little bit. But yeah, guys, he lowered the car, did the spacers. He did a bunch of stuff to the car already. And actually next week we're gonna have a bunch of crazy stuff coming in. And I'm gonna get something too on the M4. So you guys gotta stay tuned for that. But we are off on a little adventure today. We gotta shoot another car. We might go visit the homies out in Beverly Hills. Crazy, super luxury, hyper exotic dealership out in Beverly Hills. Do you know what today is? You don't know?
My sister's birthday.
Happy birthday to your sister. But besides that,
No.
you really don't know?
No. What? Oh, I know.
What? Say it.
I almost forgot, G.
How could you forget?
New merch drop!
Yes, it's finally out.
Can I copy now? Is it on the website?
It's already on the website, guys. Go cop the merch. I'm gonna be saying it throughout the video.
That shit's sick, dude.
You like it?
Yes, I'm jealous because I don't have a cool look.
No, I like the look of it, the material. Like, it's very nice. It came out really, really good.
But even the logo itself.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Bro, stay!
Bro. I like the logo, I swear though.
Yeah? Looks
sick.
like?
I don't know how we came up. You came up with the idea, huh? With the Hollywood sign?
Yeah, and like the palm trees and all that. It looks pretty cool, but anyways, guys, go cop the merch. Link will be in the description box down below and in the comment section. Go cop the merch. Bro, new car parts for Nick, guys. Those are big boxes, my G. Sheesh.
You sick? Can't
Damn, he moving quick. He lowered it, window tint, spacers, and now he's gonna start adding all of the freaking, I don't even know what it's in there. Probably lip, side skirts, diffuser. What do you guys think it's in there? All right, guys, look where we're at. The famous Beverly Hills Rodeo Drive. And we're gonna stop by the homie Jacob's dealership. They got crazy inventory. They got supercars, hypercars.
Pagani.
The craziest cars.
Well, I think he said that Pagani is the only one in the United States.
It's the Wyra R, like the full carbon.
$8 million.
That's crazy, guys. Anyways, they got a crazy inventory, and I haven't checked it out. They just built it. It's a brand new dealership, and what's cool about it is that it's very exclusive. So, like, nobody can just walk in there. It's not open to the public. It's either you gotta know somebody, or you got the money in your account ready to buy a car. Which we do not have, so we just know the people who own it. We don't got M's in the account, unfortunately. Rodeo Drive is so freaking nice. Beverly Hills is just so freaking nice, man. Maybe we see some supercars in the streets. Look at that. We just got here, guys. First thing we see, 4x4 square. And that one has full orange interior. See this, guys? Private showroom. They got the craziest inventory. Oh my god, dude. Look at this. Pagani Wyra R. Full carbon, guys. Look at the mirrors. God damn, dude. Bro, this has got to be the best car. This is the best one, bro. Look at that. Dude, look how the way the car was built, guys. All the carbon on there. That's ridiculous, bro. It's crazy. Dude. That's insane. Oh my god. This is insane, bro. That's crazy.
Bro, it actually is crazy.
The one windshield wiper too, you see that?
Oh, I didn't realize that.
That's crazy. One windshield wiper.
Race car. Can I buy it, please?
Yeah, guys, look at the freaking dealership, bro. The way this thing, the way they built it is crazy. We got the brand new Range Rover. We got the Urus Performante. We got the Cullinan. Look at the wheels on the Cullinan. The interior is just crazy on this thing. Damn. This is exactly how I would get it. This is exactly how I would get it right here. Look at the steering wheel. Oh, now you like orange?
Only the accent. I wouldn't want it all orange.
Super sport too. Look at the exhaust.
The whole car's carbon, bro.
Wow.
All over Lamborghini.
That's crazy, dude. Look at even right here. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh yeah. This is the full carbon with the orange accents. Holy shit, bro. That's crazy. Damn. Even like inside the wheel right here, look. Damn, this shit is sick, man. This one is the best one. We got the Ferraris. Damn, this one look crazy. What the? What kind of Ferrari is it? This is a 296. This is like the newest, it's like hybrid or electric, whatever? Hybrid. That's just sick. Oh my god, and it's got a Mansory kit on it? No freaking way, bro. We got a crazy inventory in here. Super crazy inventory. Super rare too, the SLR McLaren. This one's badass too. Which one would you guys take out of all these cars? Which one would you take?
Which one would I take?
Yeah. The Bugatti?
Bugatti.
Over this one?
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's just this one looks like super crazy. Especially like the doors and everything, but full carbon Bugatti too with the orange.
Every day.
Huh?
I'll drive the Bugatti.
Bugatti?
One good reason you wouldn't.
Maybe the Bugatti for like the weekend and then like the Cullinan for the weekday. With like a bad bitch on the side.
Okay.
Which one are you taking out of all these cars?
The M4 GTS.
You're stupid.
Or the
Which
merch.
one for real?
The
Not
merch,
for real.
dude, the merch.
Stop capping.
What?
Which one would you take out of all
Oh
these?
no, I really fuck with the M4 GTS a lot.
Alright, I'm over it. Next question. Damn. Look at that, guys. In orange. You were thinking of VG?
Yeah. No,
Yes, bro, that's perfection
Would
right
you
there.
trade both your BMWs?
Yes, 100% in a heartbeat. Damn,
yeah. With the orange on the wheel.
bro. Damn.
That thing is nice. Oh my God.
Dude, that looks crazy. Look at that. Damn, we got the green R8 Spider. It's pretty cool.
It's that same one you see all the time.
Brabus G-Wag G.
Ugly.
That's the dream whip right there.
I told Kevin I'll take a Dodge TRX over that shit.
Nah.
100%, bro.
Yeah. We're in Beverly Hills and we're eating Shake Shack. Smoker shit. Alright guys, we're about to shoot this G-Wagon Brabus kit on there. Oh my gosh, dude. This shit's sick. Sheesh. Look at the interior on this thing.
Come on, G, get the camera.
Wow. That's insane.
I just
Rich.
built it with my hands.
Rich, bro. I want to be like Joseph when I grow up. Look at how this thing looks, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful machine. Crazy. This is what we need, guys, right here. This is what we... Why are you standing like that, bro? You weirdo. That's just hard. It literally makes every other G-Wagon look whack. There's another one. Bro, they're everywhere here in LA. How does the G-Wagon sound like that, bro?
You guys follow 2 more.
That's insane.
Damn me, Joseph Nas, let's go.
He's running a red light.
Bro, that just sounds sweet. And you say you don't like these cars? Tripping, bro. Huh?
Red light?
No plates, G, no plates.
Never.
It's crazy, bro.
Boy, you should get iPhone.
What did we run into? Cybertruck all over Blue Beauties. Alright guys, just finished shooting up the G-Wag Brabus.
I gotta get on the set.
Oh my gosh, it's so sick. Fire. Shit looks ridiculous. I swear I want one of these so bad. So freaking bad, guys. Bro, look at the interior on this thing. Oh my gosh, bro. Everything is red in this thing. It looks amazing.
He said I don't want that. I've got
Beautiful car. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is what we need right here. Shit's sick, dude. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button. Turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. Make sure you guys go cop the Rich merch. It is now available, like I said. It'll be in the comment section down below or in the description box down below. Go and cop some merch. Go and support your boy. Thank you guys for supporting me and subscribe to the channel, liking the videos, sharing the videos, commenting on the videos, all of that stuff. Follow me on Instagram as well. And like I said, guys, I can't wait to see you guys rocking the Rich merch. This will be the second drop that we do. Hopefully we can do more drops in the future. Like I said, this is a limited drop, so you gotta go and cop. Damn, that rhymed a little bit. I should be a rapper. Anyways, see you guys. Take care. Peace.